Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be speaking about 6 low content products that you can create today. Now, before we head on over and have a look at that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. So let's go and have a look at what these 6 products are. Alright, now in this part of the video you can see the 6 different low content products that you can create today. Now let's have a look at the first one. The first one is called a gratitude journal. Now it's where you write down what you're grateful for. It can be written down for the day before, or you can do it for that end of that day. As you sit down before you go to bed, you can write down what you're actually grateful for. It's a great way of helping your attitude to maintain a positive attitude and be able to help you be able to move forward through and look forward to the next day. So let's have a quick look inside of this so you can see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's just got a little bit of information just there and a few lines, a little bit of information there and quite a few lines. And as you can see, it's mostly taken up with lines, and really anyone can do that. Another one you can create is a weekly planner or an organizer. Now this particular one is really super easy to do, and as you can see, it's $4.49 to buy, $4.49 to buy, and it's free if you're the Kindle Unlimited. But you still get money for that even if someone picks that up from there. Now another thing you can create is a prayer journal. Now it's a great way of keeping your walk on track. If you're a Christian or you're another religion, you can keep your walk on track by writing down the various prayers and whether or not your prayers have been getting answered. Now it's a really good way of keeping your walk on track and moving forward in your spiritual journey. Another thing you can do is have a recipe book where you can write down your various recipes, your favorite recipes that you and your family enjoy. I find that having a recipe journal is something that's really great. For my mum had a recipe journal, and she would write down all the recipes and also all the foods that the family loved, and she would cross out the ones the families didn't like. So she was able to keep up with what we liked and what we didn't like, and she was able to add to it if she needed to felt the need to. So that's a great way of doing that. Another thing you can have is a weight loss journal. Now as you can see in this weight loss journal, there are a lot of blank pages, a lot of blank lines, and just a bit of formatting with boxes and so forth. And as you can see, once you've created this, it is just a matter of putting it on a cover page, going down here and creating this, and this then becomes a printable piece of material that people can create for their daily weight loss program and progress. When a person is serious about their weight loss, they'll buy these and they will make quite a bit of money on it. So let's get rid of that for 1 second. And as you can see, it's $5.89 on Kindle. Now the last one you can have a look at is what they call it's a money saving journal. And look at this. It's just a 7-day planner to be able to help you know how you're going to be saving money on a daily basis. And that's all there is to it. How easy is that to create? Alrighty. Now with that in mind, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. And while you're at it, why not smash that all button too, so you can get notified when we upload all our videos. Okay guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.